questions? Yeah.
I have a question, Rabbi.
Okay, go ahead.
So, like, if you work for a company and you know how they give you those gifts, like when the holidays come around, they give you this gift. They give it to everybody. What do you do the same thing?
No, you say thank you and throw in the garbage.
Oh, okay.
You see, you cannot.
Somebody or no?
That's the problem. That's the problem. You cannot. You're not allowed to derive benefit from that. So even if you give it to your dog, for example, they give you cookies, right? Not kosher cookies, even kosher cookies. So you give it to your dog, you still benefit. So your dog is going to eat less, or you give it to the neighbor's dog, so the neighbor would appreciate you very much, and then they do, I don't know, watch over your packages from Amazon. That's the problem. That's benefit.
So I got it. So what if they give you something like a cup or whatever? It's not also good? They say a cup just to drink coffee. But
I mean, if it's a general, so I mean, so I don't want to switch topics, but you have to be precise. If it's for their holidays, they say that's this is holiday season, and I want you to have this. I mean, if you need this very, very much, you can keep it. But if they, like, for example, if it's Christian company, and that's the holiday season, they say, only to sound politically correct, but they mean Yoshka. You understand? So that's you're not allowed to use it. But if it's in general, like the company give you a gift, like even a Christian company, let's say, right, or a Muslim company, they give you a gift, there is no problem. You can use it. There is no problem.
Yeah, so let's say it's a company, but you know they have different kinds of people there, and they know that people celebrate holidays, so they said, okay, this is like you say, it's a holiday for everybody. So
okay, so I mean, if it's generous, so I mean, if non-Jew is allowed to give you a gift, for example, for Hanukkah, let's say, I don't know, so and you can use it. There is no problem. You're allowed to accept the gifts from them on our holidays. The question, I just wanted to remember what the context was. The context was that person received a gift from a relatives who is non-Jew, and they say happy these non-Jewish holidays. You understand? That's what the concept. If the companies give you like a holiday season, like a cup or something, there is no problem whatsoever to use it. Like in general.
Okay, so
but
yeah, go ahead. My mom knows that I'm Jew. Well, I celebrate Hanukkah. So she goes, here's some money for your holiday.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes. Okay. There is no problem. So with Jewish holiday, there is no problem. So you again, problem to derive benefit from their holiday. Right? And actually, the Shulchan Aruch is very clear. It says that you're not allowed to buy or sell from them three days before the holidays. Why is it 3 days? What is the problem? Because they say, yeah, oh God, you see how like these Jews gave us good discount, even with we charge them a little more. These Jews, you understand? And they would bring this money to their temple or to their whatever place, and they would celebrate. They were going to buy meat with your money. Guess what? And celebrate. That's why we don't make like business with them if they idol worshiper. If you sell on the internet, you sell, I don't know, shoes, right? How do you know who is going to get the shoes? You don't know, right? So then you would be allowed. There is no problem. You don't have to shut your shoes business like I don't know, 3 days before the holidays. You're not obligated.
But how do we know what they actually mean? They might be.
Okay, that's but why would somebody give you a gift like okay? You understand? So original question. So original question was, somebody said specifically, let's it's a birthday of this Yoshke, and okay, I hope you're well, and please celebrate with us. So that's clear what they mean. If they just give, people usually don't give the gifts. So they say, thank you for being our great neighbor, and here's a gift, here's a bottle of kosher wine. I know you're Jewish, here's a bottle of kosher wine. Okay.
That makes sense.
Right, okay. So like people usually don't do it, even I don't know. So and it's a very interesting thing. In a place where I used to work, we had people come from different companies, and it was tight security in this. in this office, like very serious office, and they would let all of the Jews in, like without signing, without checking in. So like that's amazing how they trust that the Jews would not do anything bad. That's unbelievable. They like from different companies, other people you see, like another person comes and they take all of the information, they take a picture, his driver license, this license, that license, they call the person who they come to visit and make sure that this guy is coming. Unbelievable. For Jews, just come in, like, and people change, like people come visiting in our area, they would come and we would pray together. So as a token of appreciation, of course, we have to be appreciative, right? So you have to give them gifts. So all the security is involved. I mean, we appreciate. So we collected money. I don't remember $5, $10. I don't remember $20. Well, no, not 20, maybe $10. So it was a big amount of money. Many people, Baruch Hashem, and we would give them gifts. Why? When? So after the New Year's, after the January, like a week after the January. So to show we appreciate it very, very much, and has nothing to do with your holidays, nothing, zero. You understand? So that's and they knew that because we were doing that for 20-30 years by that time. So they would expect the gifts, but after the holidays. Okay.